What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In case you haven't noticed, you're watching Bonzo Habits. And today, well, it's a little cloudy. It's not really, not doing anything special, just, poured. But in case y'all haven't noticed, I'm in Michigan. I got a little different video for y'all. Here with my dad and my sister. We're staying at my dad's best friend's mom's house, who's basically my uncle. He is my uncle. So, yeah, and today, I am showing you guys a jet ski video. I learned how to jet ski and, ride and drive it. So that's what today's video is going to be. I mean, we were on the lake the other day. It was pretty nice out. We stayed there for a few hours. But hey, before we get into this video, I did collab with Basketball Empire, and they got some fire merch. I got my own code for 25% off for all you guys. The code will be right here. It's called code Bonjo. It's literally in our YouTube channel name, just without the holics. But I will type right here just to make sure. But they have some fire merch. They have hats, they have shirts, they have shorts, I think. Yeah, they got backpacks, they got different things on there. So they got a beanie. They just got some fire stuff. So be sure to use code Bonjo because it does help me out, and I'll get y'all 25% off your full order. And yeah, that's all I got for the collab. And let's get straight into this video. Don't judge my jet ski skills, by the way. It's the first time, so yeah, don't judge. But hey, let's get straight to the video.
More bangers will be coming your way. Kobe!
Yeah!
Glad I have started recording already. And oops, we did it again. Come on, Grandma. Yeah, it's off.